This is 5 tips to do before you perform, so stay tuned. Hi, this is CHERYL. I'm the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am here teaching you, the dancers and the teachers, to be so fabulous and the best you can be. This is ballet for everybody. This is what we do. So, want to learn those 5 tips so you can perform like a rock star? Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. 5 tips before you perform. One of the best things is eat a nutritious meal for fuel before you dance. Well, that's pretty obvious, but in some walks of life, and I heard most recently, in those first 30 minutes when you wake up, 2 things. Drink a big 2 glasses of water with lemon juice, and then take a 20-minute walk before you eat. This way, your body is now burning, and it's burning fat and fuel. So when you come back and you have a smoothie, I would suggest a smoothie or a juice. If you're juicing, and add a hemp powder or some kinds of powders and seeds, and drink that down. If you like a smoothie, do that. I'm not so crazy about the ice. So do that. That will help, and it'll go right into your system, and you will be ready. You'll be jacked and ready. The second is sit down in a nice quiet room and just meditate. There's a great app called Calm. That's the app to use, and it will be specific to what you want to create for yourself. Number 3 is visualization and imagery. You want to run yourself through your performance perfectly. So with that imagery, you don't leave it by chance. You go through it and you visualize yourself being successful, doing that 25 pirouettes and grand jeté split, and walking to the front of the stage, and it's a standing ovation because you were so spectacular. That's all part of the visualization. Whatever you do, don't be watching you thinking, oh, if I fall, if I trip, if I fall. Well, you're creating that. So create the best possible outcome. Number 4, do therapeutic barre, the warm-up we've done here. That is only 10 minutes. It's actually, if you don't have time to do a ballet barre or anything, just that 10-minute exercise will prepare your body to step on stage. Really, I've done it my whole life, and really, I had 0 injuries. So just from that alone, I'm going to say do the therapeutic barre. It succinctly warms up every part of your body and your joints, even more than a ballet barre. Number 5, when you get out on stage, mark the choreography, right? So you're going to walk out on stage and you're going to mark through all of it. Don't wear yourself out. Just mark through all those places that are no big deal, and then that place you're fearing, mark it through perfectly. Just mark it through. Don't do it and do it and do it, because you're going to wear yourself out and hurt you. You've already preset the visualization and the meditation, and you're already preset for success. That's what this is about. So good. Curtain up, and you're fabulous. Thanks for tuning in. Give me some of those tips and share it with us, and we can all be Misty Copeland together or something like that. Share below, please share. If this is your first time to the channel, then I would love it if you would subscribe right here. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.